Ibotta and Bingo Cash are built for completely different types of users. Ibotta focuses on cashback from purchases, while Bingo Cash focuses on playing games for rewards. By the end, you'll know how Ibotta and Bingo Cash work, what makes them different, and which type of app fits your goal. Start with how you earn rewards. Ibotta is a cashback app that lets users earn rewards by completing offers connected to purchases. You typically use Ibotta by checking available offers, buying eligible products, and submitting purchase information through the app. The value comes from getting cashback on items you already plan to buy. Bingo Cash works differently because the main activity is playing games. Instead of earning rewards from shopping, users participate in gameplay and reward opportunities inside the app. The first difference is the type of effort required. With Ibotta, your main task is finding offers that match your shopping list and submitting receipts or purchase details. With Bingo Cash, your time is spent playing games and completing game-related activities. Your choice depends on which activity fits your routine better. If you already shop regularly and want to earn rewards from everyday purchases, Ibotta may be easier to fit into your schedule. If you prefer spending time on mobile games and want rewards connected to gameplay, Bingo Cash may match your interests better. Another difference is how you think about value. Ibotta rewards are connected to purchases you make, so the best approach is using offers on items you actually need. Buying extra products only because of cashback can reduce the value of your savings. Bingo Cash requires more active participation because rewards are connected to your gaming activity. You should review the app rules, reward requirements, and available options before spending time on either platform. The better choice is not the same for everyone. Choose Ibotta if you want a cashback app that fits into your shopping routine. Choose Bingo Cash if you prefer earning opportunities connected to playing games. The main points are simple. Ibotta is shopping-based, Bingo Cash is game-based, and the right option depends on how you prefer to earn rewards. Open both apps, review their current features, and choose the one that matches your normal habits. Subscribe for more cashback app comparisons, reward app reviews, and money-saving guides, and like the video if this comparison helped you choose between Ibotta and Bingo Cash.